Did you inform anyone about visiting us?
No.
Huh? Did any police vehicle follow you while you were coming here?
No.
Switch off your phone.
But why?
Our boss is #1 on the police encounter list. There is a good chance they will kill our boss using us your bit. That is why I'm asking you, switch off your phone.
I did the same.
Boss, I have checked everything. All clear. Coming in with the client. Nobody can go near the boss without his permission. Whatever it is, say it from here.
Bhai has already told you, right?
He told me. Still you tell me.
My husband should be murdered.
Should he be mauled to death or burned to death?
That doesn't matter. He should be murdered. This is his picture.
I don't need any photograph.
How will you do it without a photo?
If Vicky once confirm a client, all their details in and out will get inside my database. Your details too, already in my database.
Usually, daily at 10 a.m. he'll...
That's not necessary. You don't have to give me any information. I will take care of everything.
How will you kill him without knowing anything about him?
Your husband should die. I will take care of that. I don't disclose my plan details to anyone. In case if you get catched by the police, you might rat me out. It's a top secret. I am not revealing to anyone. Nobody will get it, including you. Pay 50% of money as an advance now. We will collect the rest after finishing your husband.
Hey, beard loser! Won't you ever listen to me? I'll deal with you now. How many times should I tell you, man? Don't look at my wife while she is out hang drying the clothes.
Brother, why are you shouting? I swear I did not look at her.
I itself struggled to marry her.
Yes, brother.
I won't leave with much. You bloody rascal. I won't spare you.
Me, brother,
I will kill you, man.
I have client, brother. I am doing business worth many crores. Please leave now, brother. Please understand my situation, brother.
Don't tell me the reason. Hey, you don't know? You're eating the rice or something else, man.
Brother, I swear, brother, I did not look at her. I was just showing off with this. Not like that. Let's be honest, my dear brother. If your wife worth ogling at...
No. I won't leave with this. You are cheating me.
Brother, please, brother. Don't
Just 1 minute,
brother.
madam.
Brother,
After this has
my
been deal
client
with,
waiting
it's
here.
your husband deal only.
Please, brother.
Get lost.
Nobody can go out without boss permission.
Get lost.
Hey, idiot. I won't leave you. You are cheating my wife and you are
Brother,
looking at
if you keep rambling like this, nobody would want to live with you.
You bloody rascal.
Hello.
Bye.
Yes, madam.
I just met the guy you told. He doesn't look like a goon at all. He just looks like a fraud.
They might look like that, but they get the job done.
Bye. No need. I'll find someone else.
Please listen to me, dear. I can arrange someone else for you.
Bye. It's okay. No need.
If my wife complains me to again and again, I will be furious.
Hey man, she is complaining to you, but hooking up with someone else.
Hey,
go and save her.
Bloody rascal.
Come
Hey,
again this side, I will definitely beat you.
Get inside. Nobody is trustworthy.
Dude, hey, where?
See, boss.
Hey, where is the client?
She left, boss.
She left.
She hit me and got...
Why did you let her go? Go get her.
Hey. She left, boss.
Call that boy.
Bye, boss want to talk to you.
Hello, boy. What kind of customers you have? She spoke fully about the project, then left without advance.
She doesn't trust you.
What? Doesn't trust? What, boy? Did you not tell your client about Vicky? Ask her to get the payment ready. We will get it once we finish the project.
Don't do anything.
Yeah,
like
okay,
that.
thanks.
Please listen to me.
How do I proceed now? You got what I am saying? Handle it carefully.
Sir, coffee. Anything else, sir?
Bring some hot water. Go.
Boss, is this guy her husband? Or is he the reason why she want to her husband dead? I am so confused, boss.
Hey, do one thing. Call her and tell we killed her husband.
Boss, we have not killed him. Don't waste it. It's ringing, boss. Not attending, boss.
Again, call to her.
Boss, she's cutting, boss.
Keep calling her until she is pick it up.
Okay, boss.
Pick and talk.
Hello?
Hello, madam. Our boss has planned and kidnapped your husband.
Idiot. Just cut the call.
Boss.
What, she using bad words? We called her and told her we killed her husband when he is with her. She using bad words.
Boss, you are a terrific scientist, boss.
Don't praise me too much. I don't have candies. You do one thing. You praise me after 6 o'clock only. Now keep and close watch on her. Hey, Todd face. You keep watching this auntie while I go follow that uncle. After finishing, I will call you. Don't forget to collect the payment, okay? Be careful.
Okay, boss. What is doing?
Okay. That's not a problem at all. I'll definitely do for you. Okay. What the problem is, it will take 10 to 1 week days. But definitely I'll do it for you. You don't worry at all. I'll do it. You don't worry. Just think it is done.
They said he's a businessman. Why has he come here? He should not escape. He being alone make it easy for me. I will finish him soon and leave.
No. What you said can't be finished like that way. No. If you go to a ministry, it won't be used at all. Please understand. Yeah. We have to go by central support only. Because it's a very huge project. Yeah, please. You're saying it very easily? Yeah. As you said, it will take at least 10 crores. Hey, what are you talking, man? So many various states are trying for this, you know? Please understand that first. To acquire this, you have to split all the issues. It's not so much easy.
He's alone.
Project
This is
for
the right
you only.
opportunity.
Please understand that. Whatever
How
the
can I
problem,
kill
I'll
him?
definitely do it for you. Money is
I
not
need
at all a problem for me.
Hammer.
Cha.
One blow will
Definitely
finish him
going to
off.
do it. We can't do everything in phone
Hammer.
itself.
Skull would weigh around 400 pounds. If both of them clash, his brain will collapse in one single blow. Yes, my calculation.
Hey, who are you, man? Hey, who is this guy, da?
Hey, who are you?
Hey, tell me, who are you?
Tell me, yaar. Who sent you? Why did you come and kill him? Tell me, yaar.
It's paining, sir.
Hey. Who are you, man? Why did you try to kill me?
I should manage somehow.
Oi, I will pull out your teeth, then only you will speak truth, right? Tell me. Tell me, yaar.
No, my
Hey,
truth.
hey. Tell me now.
Oh my God. Sir, my tooth. My tooth. My tooth.
Hey.
My tooth, sir. My...
Tell the truth at least now. Why did you try to kill me? Who sent you, man?
Sir, please, sir. Sir, please leave it, sir.
Are you going to speak or going to die here?
Sir, I will tell you, sir. I will tell you, sir. Please leave me, sir. Sir, I will tell you, sir. I will tell you, sir. Sir, it's your wife who paid me to kill you, sir.
My wife?
Yes, sir.
What do you say, man?
Sir, I swear, sir, I don't know anything, sir. Your wife hired me to kill you, sir. Your wife, sir, she is fair and very beauty, sir. Must be younger than you, sir. She asked me to do it, sir. I don't know anything, sir. Please spare me, sir. My tooth.
Hey,
Yes.
come here. What he's saying? My wife only said to kill me, it seems.
It will not like that, sir.
No, man. Nowadays, she's also acting strange, man. I can't believe, but can't be without believing. Okay. What you do is dispose that body first. I'll
Okay,
ask
sir.
her to come here.
Okay.
We'll find it out.
Okay, sir.
Go.
Come here. Hey, come.
Hey,
Sir?
first bury this. Then nearby dig a 2 holes too. If he's saying the truth about her, we'll bury them both.
Okay, sir.
Why did you ask me to come urgently?
For what? Do you know who he is?
Who is she?
Who is he?
Oh, after getting caught, you're acting like you don't know him?
What? I got caught? Who is he? What did I get caught for?
Hey, tell me the truth, man.
Sir, I swear your wife asked me to kill you, sir.
What do you say now? He's telling the truth, is it?
Oh, I swear I don't know who he is.
Hey, tell me, man. She only asked me to kill me, is it?
She, it's not her. It's not her, sir. It's your wife who hired me, sir.
Hey, what? You both are acting together?
So, I don't have a clue about what's happening now. I don't know him. Please believe me.
Sir, even I don't know her, sir. Please believe me, sir.
If I keep torturing you only, you will tell the truth, is it? Hey,
Sir.
tell me the truth, man.
Sir.
She only asked me to kill me, is it?
Oh, she is not what, sir. Sir, I'm speaking truth, sir. Your wife only asked me to kill you, sir, not she.
You both
what
together
you-
making a drama, wa? I'm going to kill you, man.
Sir,
Hey.
please don't shoot, sir. See, sir, I have a photo of you with your wife, sir.
Okay, give me that. Shekhar, who is this?
Ma'am, she is his wife.
Wife?
Hey,
Hey, what's all this?
she's my client.
Ma'am, she is his wife. Look at the fourth picture. They will be already husband and wife.
Hey, what's all this? Are you cheating on me?
Hey, what? Hey, first I should kill you, man. Go die, man.
Oh God.
Did you shoot?
Oh God.
Why did you shoot,
What
ma'am?
happened?
What happened?
happened? Oh, get
Sir,
up.
please get up, sir.
Please.
Oh
Wake up,
my
dear.
God.
Please.
Well shot, well done. You shoot well. Please give me my phone. Give me, ma'am.
Hey, my dear.
Smile. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, please wake up. Hey, wake up. Wake up.
Boss. Tell me, boss.
Collect the full amount from that lady. I have gotten rid of her husband. I will send you the photo on WhatsApp. It's okay. Where is that lady now?
She is sitting inside only, sir.
Show me the photo and collect the payment right away.
Okay, boss.
Oh.
Yeah, it was very gorgeous. I saw that. Yeah.
Hello, madam. My boss called just now. He has murdered your husband as per your plan. Just see this photo and give them amount.
Photo, I asked you, is it?
Yeah, here it is. Here, sir. This is my husband's photo.
Advance?
Here I have the amount you asked for. And the balance I'll give you as soon as you finish it.
Okay.
Sir,
Tell me.
I won't get caught, right?
Don't worry. I have done many murders. Haven't got caught at all. We don't do like a murder at all. We make like an accident. You don't get worry at all.
Okay, sir.
Where will he be now?
He's in Mumbai now.
Oh,
He has just left for the airport.
okay.
He'll reach here before evening.
Getting down in airport. He won't come to your home. He'll go to the heaven. Okay.
Okay.
Is this her husband? Or is this the reason she want her husband dead?
How will you kill him without knowing anything about him?
That's not necessary. I don't have to tell me anything. We called her and told her we killed her husband while he was with her. Sorry.
Yeah, don't worry, man. I
Okay,
will see
okay.
everything.
Is
You don't
everything
worry.
is okay?
Yeah. Yes.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you for coming. Hey, how are you, da? Hi. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey,
Hey, hi.
congrats.
What's up? Thank you. Yeah, it's a
Bye.
pleasure. No, you may carry on.
Hey, why are you looking at her like first time we are seeing? Hey, I am asking you, are gay?
Hey, you shouldn't sit near the broom.
But why?
What if he's being naughty with you?
I think they've all done that before itself.
Hey, stop teasing me. You will also get married, right? I'll tease you a lot more than this at that time.
Is everything is okay? Yeah.
Hi. Thanks, dear. Do come for the wedding, okay? Okay. Thanks.
Hey sis, what's up?
Hey, congrats, dear.
Engagement was so going well. Everyone is happy.
Hey, don't forget to share the
I'll
photos.
share the photos to your WhatsApp,
Okay,
okay?
okay. No,
Yamuna
that's
is here.
fine.
I'll give the phone to
Yeah.
her.
Yeah, give phone
hey,
to
Yamuna.
her.
Sis is
Who?
on the line.
Yes, sister. Hi, sister. How are you?
Congrats, Imra. How are
Uncle,
you?
wait there. I'll come.
I'm good, sister. I was expecting you would come for the engagement.
Yeah, COVID issues, right?
Yeah,
Flight was
I
not there.
understand.
That's why.
Totally understand. It's okay. But don't forget to come for the wedding, okay? I'll be expecting you.
Sure, dear. I'll
Okay.
come for sure.
Take care. Thank you. Thank you so much.
you, bye.
Bye. Okay, what were you saying? Your dress is gorgeous. Is it? You're looking handsome. Name is saved as Sam, but it looks like a girl's message. Who is this? You have started to ignore me completely. After marriage, you will completely ignore me? All the nights we spent together are unforgettable. I miss you so much. I'm seeing you.
Hey, you spoke to sis? Give me the phone. I have to share the photos to her. Hey, what happened? You seems to be dull.
Nothing. I woke up very early today. That's why I'm tired. Okay, I'll go to the room and fresh up and come.
Okay, go ahead. Yes, tell me, dear.
Vivek, can you come to the room?
Hey, you're calling morning itself a room? Here, everybody's eyes on me. We'll deal with night. Is it okay for you?
Hey, stop blubbering like this. Come to the room.
Hey, you call me to the room, I don't even get a one hug.
I didn't call you for the romance.
Not for the romance, mean, why did you call me?
I'm feeling very uneasy. Please adjust this dress for me.
It's a thing,
Hey!
Hey, what happened? Are you alright?
Nothing. Please wait for a couple of minutes. I'll go to the restroom and come. Hey, don't go anywhere. You wait here only.
Okay, you go.
Hey, baby.
What are you doing? She's inside. Listen to me.
You only asked me to come.
Stop kidding. When did I call you?
You messaged me to come.
Wait.
You only messaged me, right?
When did I message you?
To see this. Hey, what happened? Are you alright?
Oh God.
What
Hey,
happened, baby?
Please try to understand. Just leave.
You're always like this.
I'll explain you later. Please go. Please try to understand. We'll talk it later. Please, just leave right
what?
now. Just leave. Just
why?
leave right
What
now.
happened?
Go. Go.
Tell me now.
Looks like someone had come here.
Nobody came here.
I heard a woman's voice while I was in the restroom.
Hey, she's my office colleague. She just came to wish me.
Oh, is she that much close to come to the bedroom and wish you?
God. Yamuna, she's insane. Not just with me. She used to act like this with everyone in this office, okay? She sends me old messages now and then, but I don't even care about her. Now, why are you talking about her and spoiling our happy moments, huh? Hey, stop kidding. When did I call you?
Stop playing. You only messaged me to come, right?
When did I message you?
I'll show you this.
Huh? Just wait.
Hey, what happened? Are you alright?
Oh, God. Hey,
What happened,
please
baby?
try to understand. Just leave now.
You're always like this.
I'll explain it later, okay? Please leave now. We'll talk about it later. Just leave now,
What?
right
What
now.
happened? Is there
Okay.
any problem?
Go.
Tell
Just
me,
please
no.
go. Go.
Why?
Yamuna.
Don't touch me. 4 years. 4 years we have been in love. You cheated on me.
Yamuna, please try to understand what I'm saying.
Don't say a word.
Please. Please.
Don't show me your fucking face. Just get out of from here.
I don't know how to make you understand.
What do you have to say for this? Tell me. Answer me.
Hey, it's just a...
Just a lust? What do you mean? If you had truly loved me, how can you have lust for some another woman? I loved you so much. You cheated on me, right?
Yamuna,
Hey, keep your hands off.
please, don't make any wrong decisions, okay? Please. Yamuna, please don't tell anyone, please. Hey, Yamuna, please. Please. Please try to understand me. Please. Yamuna, please.
Yeah, I made these arrangements for my son only. Hey, what happened? Why did you slap her? What is the problem?
Ask him only.
Son, what is the problem?
Hey, son, what happened? We're asking, right? Tell us.
Nothing, ma. Just we are talking. Yamuna misunderstood it.
Hey, Yamuna. What happened? Why are you crying? Why did you slap that girl? Tell me what the problem is. I'm asking you, you're not saying anything.
Hey, leave it. I know that she needs time to get out from this mood out. You go. I'll bring her. Go. Hey, what happened here? I told you, don't invite her. See now?
Hey, how do I know she will send me the message and come to my room?
My dear, I already told you to cut that relationship before engagement. Now see what happened. Hey, your dad is coming.
Hey, what is the problem in between you? You said you want to marry her. Then what is your problem? So you can solve your problems. Will your problems go away if you drink? Go and bring her back. Go.
I can understand the pain which you are going undergo. We can deal it here. After 4 years of love, you have come to engagement. You have lot of good memories. For these bad memories, don't make any wrong decisions. You need to ignore small things in life. Anyway, you think and take a decision.
I think you will understand my pain now. I'll act right if you are also right. But if you make a mistake, I will also do it too.
What happened, dear? Tell me.
What is your problem, Ma? You're not saying anything. Please tell, Ma, what is your problem? Whatever it is, we'll talk it together. Son-in-law!
Hey, why you beat him?
As to her.
They loved. They decided to get married. Then why they are fighting? We can stop this. It won't work.
What is he
I think.
saying?
What you're saying like this? Engagement is over. Relatives have come here. How can we cancel
What can
now?
I do, sir? We can solve this problem here. In future, it is very difficult. It won't work.
Huh?
Sir, just leave it, sir.
Sir? Please. Sir, please. Sir, don't decide anything in a hurry. We'll sit and talk together. Everything will be okay. Huh? What, sir, is this? Sorry.
Sorry. Yeah, you come. Please come.
Take your money.
Okay. Hey, dear.
Huh?
Shall we close the shop?
Sylvie, we will wait for some more time. The debt collector guy will come in the morning tomorrow.
Ammu's alone at home.
Sylvie, let's make ends meet, educate Ammu. Place one good job. If my parents were alive, I got a good job and would have taken care of you all guys. Our hardship does not matter. We should educate Ammu and give her a good life. Sylvie, we are coming to our shop. Get ready.
Okay.
I have reached Chennai. You don't prepare anything. I'll eat and come. Okay, I'll keep. Friend, what's there to eat?
Idli, dosa, kottu parota and meat, sir.
Huh? Give kottu paratha and curry.
Dad, I'm really scared, Dad.
Hey, where did they go, man? Hey, go search, man.
Sir,
They shouldn't escape from us.
Took every corner.
Hey, Ravi, go there. Who is
There
he?
is no one here.
Oh, go search there. We shouldn't leave them. Go search. Go search well.
Mom, I'm scared. Come first, Mom. Mary, don't stand here. Go. Listen to me, Mari. Mari, go, Mari. No. Go, Mari.
No, Dad. I won't
Hey,
go,
Mari,
Dad. I
open your
won't
house.
go.
Please, Samu. Hey, go. Don't be here. Listen, go, Mari.
Go, catch them, go! You don't listen to my words? Hey, how dare, man? You don't listen to my words?
My dad, please, Dad.
Hey, kill them, man!
Don't.
Go, kill him! Kill him! Hey!
Dad! Mom! Dad! What did he order? I'm asking you, what did he order?
Kottu parota and meat.
Minced parota, meat. What happened, dear? Why do you look upset?
I had told you right. When I was young, in front of me, my mom and dad were killed. He killed them. I have been waiting for a long time to kill him. Now he has come alone. I will kill that guy.
What are you saying?
Selvi, he has murdered my mother and father.
Don't be stupid and get caught by the police. Also, just think, like how you were orphaned when you were a kid. Do you want me and my kid to be orphaned too? Huh?
So he has come by himself now. Do you tell me to let him go?
Brother.
No. Just listen to me. Don't do anything. Just stay here. I'll go and ask. Yes, sir.
Do you have water bottle?
No, sir. Just canned water. But it's pure water.
Okay.
What is this?
Selvi, we will use this rat poison to kill him. Let him go die somewhere else. We won't get catch. Even if the police finds out, we will say it was an accident. We can say we don't do it purpose. We will manage. Nobody will suspect us. Please agree, Selvi. Selvi, please say yes.
Oh, don't act crazy. Please. If you want me and my daughter to come to the streets, do as you wish. You stay. I'll go give it to him.
Hello.
Yeah.
Make another 2 kottu parota and meat.
Takeaway, sir? Is it takeaway?
There are few members in car. You go and give to them. Go.
Okay. Thank God you didn't do anything wrong. If you had planned to kill him, we would have been trapped. His guys are there in the car, it seems. He has ordered 2 more minced parota and meat. What happened? What did you do? Car is open. Did you mix it? Oh my God. How many times did I tell you? Why did you do it?
You know how many days I struggled without my parents. I have no other choice, Sylvie.
I've told you many times, but it didn't enter your thick skull. Oh God, I'm scared about what's gonna happen to him. Oh God. Oh God. What, dear? Nothing happened? Did you mix it seriously?
I am swear on our Ammu, I mixed it.
Oh God. Maybe this poison is ineffective.
No, many rats have died after consuming it. Maybe this works only for rats?
Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Give some water, man.
You wait. Sir, is there any problem?
Huh?
No. Are you sick or something?
Hello. First parota and curry is ready, huh?
He's making it, sir.
Go, make it fast.
Thank God. I think he's fine. Had something happened to him, his guys wouldn't have spared us.
Even if something happens to him, we will lift him and throw it there.
Hey, what will you tell their guys?
We will say he fell down while he called to someone.
Oh, God. Oh.
Take this. Go serve it to them in the car before they get out.
Okay. Okay, dear.
Okay.
Sir, please ask them to be in the car. I'll serve them there.
What?
Let them be there. I'll go serve there.
You sit in car itself, ma. I'll ask them to bring it.
It's okay.
You go.
We've been sitting in for too long, right? Our boys also getting adamant. We'll come there.
Okay, come. You keep it here, ma. Come, son. Sit here.
Here it is. Okay. Thank God.
Shall we eat?
Thank God, my dear. There are no henchmen in the car. We were scared about that. He's all right. There are no henchmen. Then why are you looking tensed? Hey, what did you do now?
Actually, Sylvie, since it was not sufficient last time, I had some more poison this time.
my God! What have you done? Why did you do it now?
Hey, open your mouth. Eat. Don't want.
Actually, Sylvie, I thought there were henchmen in the car.
Oh
So I
God!
did that to save ourselves.
What did you?
Eat at least this much. Eat. No. Eat little bit. Open your mouth. Eat. Eat at least a little. Open your mouth.
Hey,
if
eat,
you
son.
eat, I'll get you chocolates.
Little bit eat. Little.
He did so many mistakes. But should his wife and kid die for that? Huh?
Eat little, man.
Eat, no. Little bit eat. Yeah,
Okay.
like that.
Sir?
Open your mouth.
Huh?
Shall I pack the food and give it to you?
What are
Why?
you doing? Eat, no.
Actually,
little bit.
police might come at this time.
Why you are
They
not
will ask for
listening?
bribes.
Good
Man,
food.
I'll talk to the policeman. You go, man.
It's okay. Hey, eat at least this much.
Here, son. Eat little, son. Eat.
Hey, eat a little, no?
Eat.
Eat,
son.
son. Look here. Always adamant. He won't eat only. Hey, open your mouth. Hey, you asked for chocolates, right? I'll get them only if you eat now.
What? Go there.
Sir, I will pack them, sir.
Huh? Why?
Police won't disturb you, sir. They will disturb me, sir.
Already it's very hard to make him eat. Why are you doing like this? Don't disturb me. Hey, you eat? Open your mouth.
Something.
Eat.
son.
Look
Eat.
here.
Sir, I will pack them, sir.
Hey, what is your problem, man? My son is eating, is it? Go, man.
Eat, dear. You don't want to eat. I'll buy you toys only if you eat. I'll buy you chocolates. Okay, what else do you need? Look there. Open your mouth.
Hey! I'm going to hit you. My son is eating. You're doing like this. Hey!
Don't hit him.
Go, man.
Please.
Go.
Oh my dear.
Son, did you get hurt, man? Huh?
No. Don't go. Hey, please listen to me.
Any problem? Hey!
Oh God.
Hey!
No, please. Hey, don't do anything. Please. 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 No. Please don't do it. Listen to me.
Hey!
Please.
No,
No,
man.
please. Oh dear, no.
Hey!
Please don't, uncle. Please don't harm my dad, uncle. Please. Please don't do anything, uncle. Please, uncle. Please. Don't do anything.
Hey! Who are you, man? I'm asking, is it?
Uncle, sorry, uncle. Please spare my dad. Please, uncle. Please. Please.
This is how I appealed to you when you killed my parents. Had you spared my parents, then for me, I would live happily with them. I am letting you go only for the child.
Please don't do anything, uncle. Please, uncle.
Brother, sorry, please forgive me. Please, I am sorry. Forgive me.
Sorry, uncle.
dear.
Room keys. Please go to Coimbatore Private Bus Stop. Brother, please go a little faster. Hello?
Madam, bus is about to leave,
Yes, I'll be reaching in 5 minutes. I'm on the way.
Please come soon, madam.
Okay.
Thank you.
Brother, please go a little faster.
Okay, madam.
Yeah, that's my bus. Please stop a little ahead.
What did you see? Can I help you?
Yeah, please. Thanks.
Glare. The sun is out after many days, right? It's a sunny day.
Yes, it feels so good to see the sun after so many rainy days.
It's feel good. Normally, I travel by flight only. Due to the cyclone, I had to come by bus.
Oh. I also planned to fly only, but it got cancelled at the last minute. That's why.
Oh, nice. So, what you do?
Modeling?
Modeling?
Yes.
Interesting. But I haven't seen you in any of the ad films.
I'm a ramp model. I only do catwalk.
Oh, like that.
What do you do?
I'm working at a beautiful girl. No.
Sir?
Sir, I'm your maths teacher. Do I look that old? Like a sugar daddy? It's a joke. Jokes apart. By the way, I'm Stephen.
Pooja.
Nice meeting you.
Sure.
I'm a financier. I have financed many films.
Oh, you must be a big shot?
Are you kidding me? Do big shots travels in excuse for a bus? Maybe we both can book a cab together and have fun going to Bangalore? Just kidding. You are staring at me already. You are looking very gorgeous. Why don't you try to become a heroine in the movies?
My ex-boyfriend was a movie director. I was supposed to be the lead role in that movie.
Interesting. What's the name of the director?
He's not that much popular in the industry now. But he has assisted in big movies. Then he started his own movie and I was to play the heroine in that. But due to some financial issues, the movie got dropped.
If the film had been completed, you would have become a star. Then I wouldn't have the opportunity to meet you in this bus, right?
Maybe.
So what? You can become a heroine in another movies even now. That's not a problem. You still look very pretty. And what did you say the director name?
Michael Adams.
Michael Adams, the director Vinayak's assistant?
Yeah, you know him.
Hey, if I had known you were the heroine, I wouldn't have stopped that movie. I am the one of the reasons for movie getting stalled because I was the financier for that movie. Honestly, if I had known you were the heroine, I wouldn't have dropped it. Sometimes our decisions might be wrong. We might regret it too. But I don't have regrets about this one. No regrets, not at all. What I did was right. Because that Michael Adams is a psycho. Are you still in touch with him?
No, sir. It didn't work out between us, so we parted ways. Actually, there was no big issue at all. After the movie got dropped, there was a small fight between us, that's all.
Recently, I saw in the news, he got arrested in a murder case, it seems.
Yes, sir. I too heard about that. Thank God, we broke up a long time ago. He's a psycho, sir.
I had many issues with him too during the film. He acts like a psycho all the time. That is the reason why I dropped the movie. That psycho Michael Adams, I will never be able to forget him.
Excuse me. Sorry to interrupt. Actually, I was listening to what you two were talking. You are talking about Michael Adams, right? Michael was my student. He was a big troublemaker in school. And I had warned his parents many times. Let me tell you something from my experience. I have never met a worse student like him in my 30 years of experience. He used to lose his temper and shout. He used to behave like a psycho.
You are Jennifer, teacher.
Yes.
I am Matthew, your student. Do you remember me?
Hey, Matthew. Hey, how are you doing?
Yeah, I am good, teacher.
What's happening? This is quite surprising. I'm not able to believe it. We all seem to know Michael. Okay, you are Michael's brother, right?
Yes, teacher.
You're Michael's own brother?
No, different mothers, same father. He used to make lot of troubles when he was young. Even in home, even in school, he used to make a lot of problems. One day he made a big mistake in home and left the home. After that, I don't know where he's gone.
Sir, what you're talking about Michael, I have worked him for many years. He have fought with many directors, sir. Till now, he hasn't worked a full film fully. And also, he does like a psycho, sir.
Hey, wait. Who knows Michael here right now?
I know
him.
Sir, I know, sir.
him.
Sir, I know him.
Yeah, I know.
I too know him.
Yeah, I
Yes,
know
sir,
very much.
I know.
Yeah, I know
Yeah,
him.
I know very much. Yeah.
Sir,
I also
I
know.
too know.
What happened, sir? Is
Yes,
there any
sir.
problem?
How come everyone in this bus knows about him? How did you all buy your bus tickets and you?
Sir, actually, I'm going to meet a producer in Bangalore. He only booked it for me, sir.
I got an interview offer. So they sent me the ticket.
Actually, my son is in Bangalore. He got a free ticket, so he sent it to me.
My flight ticket also got cancelled and I got this bus ticket.
It's the same reason in my case. Michael did not call us about the free ticket. Then, who would that be? Huh?
Sir, it was me. Who called you all offering free tickets, sir?
Hey man, who are you? Why did you issue the free tickets?
I'm a travel agent, sir. Michael Adam met me, said he wanted to invite all his friends for his birthday to Bangalore and throw a surprise party for him. And he said that don't tell to any person because it's a surprise party. And he gave a lot of money. That's why, sir, and made you travel in this bus. Sir, I have also an important job. I boarded this bus to Bangalore to with you all and got trapped.
Hello, my dear friends. How are you all doing? You will be happy now, but you won't be anymore.
Sir.
Wondering why I am making you all travel together, huh? You all have wronged me. Admit and say sorry. Do you know what I am gonna happen if you don't, huh?
Please, move. Please move, sir. Please. Hello, sir. Please move, sir. Please. Hello, Michael. Michael, please open. Michael, please. Michael, don't do anything. Please. Sir. Michael, please. Michael. Michael, don't do anything you planned, please. Please. I can cure you well. Michael. Michael, please open the door. Michael, please listen to me. Michael, please listen to me. Please stop the vehicle, Michael.
Sir, what happened?
Sir,
Who is this?
I'm a psychologist, sir. He was taking treatment for 2 years, sir. He was telling that whoever I don't like, I'll put them all together in a single bus. I'll itself keep driving and take them an accident. Hello, Michael. Everyone are shouting. Can't you hear? Please open the door, Michael.
Hey, Michael.
Michael, please open the door, Michael. Last month, when he was telling to me, I just said, go do, man. I dared to him, sir. Hey, Michael.
What the hell? Why did you do
sir,
it, doctor?
It's all my mistake, sir. I was just kidding, sir. Michael, please open the door.
Hey,
Michael.
Hey, Michael.
Michael. Hey,
tell
open
you.
the door, Michael.
He's your brother, right? Do I need to die for all your mistakes? Tell your brother to stop, man.
Michael.
Hey, ask him to stop the bus, man.
Hey, stop it! Hey, stop! Hey, stop the bus!
Hey, Michael! Hey, man, stop the bus!
Hey,
what are you doing? Hey, what are you trying to do? Hey, everybody, everybody
please
be calm.
be careful! Hey, everybody!
We will do something.
Sir,
please stop the bus.
We will think. Okay? Hey, everybody be careful, huh?
Bus is locked. There is no way you can escape. Every minute you delay, you one step closer to death. Say sorry now.
What did we do? What wrong did we do? Why should we forgive?
Loving a psycho like you was my biggest mistake.
I didn't do anything wrong. It's all you only.
You create the problem in school and home. What I will do?
Hey, please stop it! Hey, Michael!
Hey, Michael! Hey, don't man! Hey, stop the bus! Hey, Michael! Hey, Michael, please!
Hey,
stop the bus, man! What are you doing?
Sir!
Oh, it's a dream. Oh my God. Oh my God. The same kitty. Dream or... I am not gonna help her. Let's see what happens. Looking hot, like in the dream.
Sir, could you please help me, sir?
The same chick.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Same size, same weight. Mole under the lips. The same sexy legs. Shiny shoes. Oh God. The dream is getting real. She's looking at me. The sun is out after many days, right? That's why sunny day.
Yes. It feels so good to see the sun after so many rainy days.
Huh?
Usually I go by flight only. But last minute the flight got cancelled. That's why.
Got cancelled? Shall I ask something? Are you a model?
Yeah. How did you know that? Have you seen me somewhere?
Yeah, in my dream. I don't recollect seeing you, but...
You didn't have. I don't do commercials. I'm a RAM model, so I do only catwalks. What do you do, sir?
Oh my God. Chick is asking the same question.
Why are you staring at me? I was asking what do you do for a living?
Actually, I'm a financier. I have financed many movies.
Oh.
Yeah.
You must be a big shot then.
Have you starred in any films?
My ex-boyfriend was a movie director. I was to play the lead in his film.
Oh my God.
It got dropped due to financial issues.
The same story as in the dream. May I know the director's name?
He is not that much popular in the industry. But he has assisted in few big movies. Michael Adams.
Oh my God, same fellow. Director Vinayak's assistant?
Yeah. You know him?
God. Is everything gonna repeat the same way?
Hey, stop it! Hey, Michael! Hey!
Is this what they called a bad dream? Oh my God. Bus is running fine. The same people.
Please, give some way! Michael, please don't do anything as you planned!
Oh God. I will find out this is a dream or reality. If the door is locked... Oh my God. It's locked. Hey, Michael. TV should have been on. TV has a no power supply. Maybe this is a dream. Nothing, a door...
What happened, sir? Any problem?
No problem. Shall I tell her the truth? You know something? Everybody here knows about Michael. Everybody. He has issue with each and everyone here. It's true.
What, sir? You kidding?
Please believe me, Pooja. It feels like I have seen all this happen before whatever is happened.
Sir, please stop kidding.
Kidding? Hey, the lady sitting in front of is Jennifer, ma'am. Michael's class teacher. She will talk about the Michael now. At least believe me then. Something bad could happen.
Sorry to interrupt. Actually, I was listening to what you two were talking. Michael Adams, right? Michael was my student.
You see?
He was a big troublemaker in school. And I had warned his parents many, many times. But let me tell you something from my experience. I have never met a worse student like him in my 30 years of experience. He used to lose his temper and shout. He used to behave like a psycho.
Do you believe me now? The guy sitting up front with his headphones. He is Michael's brother, Matthew. Yeah, Michael has a brother. He will speak now. Believe me, at least then.
You are Jennifer teacher, right?
Yes. You?
I am Matthew, your student. Remember me?
Hey, Matthew. Hey, you are Michael's brother, right?
Yes, teacher.
Michael Adam is your own brother.
No, different mothers, same father. Michael used to make a lot of trouble from childhood. Even in home, even in the school, he used to make a lot of troubles. We told him a lot, but he is not listening. One day he ran away from home. After that, we don't know where he is.
It's so confusing, sir.
You will not believe me now, Pooja. I will tell one more thing. You will believe me. The one sitting behind, he used to work with Michael. Now he also say how big a psycho Michael was.
Sir, what you're talking about Michael, I have worked him for many years. He have fought with many directors, sir. Till now, he worked a full film. And also, he does like a psycho, sir.
Huh?
Sir, even after knowing about all this, why aren't you doing anything? Is there any problem? Please tell.
You know one thing? Michael is the one who driving the bus. He gonna ram it somewhere and kill us all. Do you know that? The door is locked.
Sir, are you kidding me? So many people are in the bus and you're saying like this?
See for yourself. Everybody in this bus will climb to know Michael. Do you wanna see? Huh? Who knows Michael's here?
Sir,
I know him.
Sir, I know, sir.
I know.
Sir, I know him.
I know Michael.
I too know him.
I know.
Yes, sir. I know.
also
I know him.
Sir, I too know.
Yeah, I know.
Yes, sir.
Do you believe me now?
Sir, is there any problem?
How come everyone in this bus knows him? Think. How did guys get your bus tickets?
Sir, actually, I'm going to meet a producer in Bangalore. He only booked it for me, sir.
I got an interview offer. They only sent me the ticket.
Actually, my son is in Bangalore. He got a free ticket, so he sent it to me.
Huh. My flight was cancelled. Then I got a call offering me a free ticket. That must be the case for you too. The agent who booked the flight tickets, he's here. He will stand and speak now. Will you believe me then?
Sir, it was me. Who called you all offering free tickets, sir? I'm a travel agent, sir. Michael Adam met me, said he wanted to invite all his friends for his birthday to Bangalore and threw a surprise party for him. And he said that don't tell to any person because it's a surprise party. And he gave a lot of money.
Did you listen what he said? It has been a long time wish for a Michael to bring everyone he hates in a bus, ram it and kill them all. Not able to believe it, right? A psychiatric doctor will talk about it now.
Hello, my dear friends. How are you all doing? You will be happy now, but you won't be anymore. Wondering why I am making you all travel together, huh? You all have wronged me. Admit and say sorry. Do you know what I am gonna happen if you don't? Huh?
Please move. Please move, sir. Please. Hello, sir. Please move, sir. Please. Hello, Michael. Michael, please open. Michael, please. Michael, don't do anything. Please. Michael, please. Michael, don't do anything you planned, please.
Sir, what's happened?
Sir,
Who's that?
I'm a psychologist, sir. He was taking treatment for 2 years, sir. He was telling that whoever I don't like, I'll put them all together in a single bus. I'll itself keep driving and take them an accident. Hello, Michael. Everyone are shouting. Can't you hear? Please open the door, Michael.
Hey, Michael.
Please open the door,
Open the
Michael.
door, Michael.
Last month, when he was telling to me, I just said, go do, man. I dared to him, sir. Hey, Michael.
What the hell?
No,
Why did you
sir.
do it,
It's
doctor?
all my mistake, sir. I was just kidding, sir. Michael, please open the door.
Hey,
Michael.
Hey, Michael.
Michael.
Hey, he's your brother,
open
right?
the door, Michael.
Tell him now. Why should I die for all your mistakes? Hey, tell your brother, stop the bus, man.
Hey, Michael,
Hey, ask him to stop the bus, man.
What to do, sir?
Michael,
be careful.
Hey, man, stop the bus. Don't be silly,
Michael,
man.
please
Hey,
stop the bus. Michael, please.
Be careful, guys. Hey, what are you doing, man?
Michael, please.
Everybody be calm.
Stop the bus, sir.
He will do something. He will think of something. Okay? Guys, be careful.
This is Locke. There is no way you can escape. Every
what
minute
happened?
you delay, you one step closer to death. Say sorry now.
Hey, Michael, please leave us. Stop the vehicle. Please stop the vehicle, Michael.
Michael, ask him to tell the truth, Michael.
Stephen, you say the truth first and apologize.
I will tell Michael. There is no mistake, Michael. I asked him to cast the girl lead in this movie. I said I will finance him. Michael didn't accept. That was I called you psycho and dropped the movie. I'm sorry, Michael. Please forgive me. Please, everybody, tell the truth.
You told me many times not to include anyone else in the bus other than in your list. Please apologize. I just got trapped in this bus. Michael, please don't harm me for that. Please, Michael, please. Leave me, Michael. I have told the truth. Please leave me, Michael. I have a family. Please spare me, Michael, please.
Hey, Michael! Hey, assistant director, speak the truth, man!
Michael, because jealous on you, I made rumors about the industry. Please, Michael, forgive me. He didn't do any mistake. I only lied. Please, sorry. Please forgive me. Michael, sorry.
You didn't do anything wrong. Actually, I was having an affair with the principal. I was scared you'll tell everyone about it, so I spread rumors about you. And also, I lied to your parents so many times. Please forgive me, Michael. Please, please.
Michael, you did not anything wrong. Me and my mom only torture you. We only send you out of our home. Michael did not do anything wrong. Please forgive me, Michael. Please, sorry.
Hey, Pooja! Speak him!
Michael didn't do anything wrong. I fought with him a lot because the movie was dropped. I broke up with him saying that he's a psycho. Michael didn't do any mistake.
Hey, Michael, please leave us.
Hey, Michael! All of them have spoken the truth,
Michael.
right? Now what's your problem, man? Hey, don't be like this.
Who is that?
One person has not told the truth yet.
Who's that? Please, whoever that is, please tell the truth. Hey, who's
tell.
that? Please
Who didn't tell the truth? Come on, tell.
Life is important, please. Please tell the truth.
Tell me, which one is the pending?
Come on, please say.
Do you want to die? Tell me. Hey, he's a big psycho. He will drive it somewhere. He'll kill everyone. So be careful. Hey, guys, everyone has spoken the truth. Michael, please come to us. Say Michael, who has not spoken the truth.
Stop
Please
it.
tell Michael who's the pending.
Please.
Please,
Speak
tell.
up, Pooja. Please speak up.
Tell Pooja.
Please tell.
Pooja.
Please
tell.
tell.
Pooja.
please save us.
Hey, please don't kill us. Please stop the bus.
Pooja, tell the truth.
Pooja, please
Stop the bus.
Everybody will be saved only if you speak the truth.
Tell the truth, Pooja. Please.
There are kids, there are families. Come on, Pooja.
I'll tell the truth. I'll tell the truth. I was pissed off because I didn't get the lead. So I killed the movie lead, Nisha, and I framed it to make it look like Michael was only the murderer. Sorry. Sorry, Michael. Please forgive me, Michael. Please don't do anything. Please. It's my mistake. Please, Michael. I did mistake. Sorry. Sorry, Michael.
What happened, Stephen?
Sir, suspect accepted the truth, sir.
Did you record everything?
Sir, I record all evidence, sir. We got all information. Everything under control, sir.
Bring the accused safely.
Sure. I will take it.
Everyone is safe, is it?
Sir, all passengers are safe, sir. Thank
Well
you.
done, Stephen.
I will arrest you, sir. Sorry, Pooja.